Hello, little artist. Let's draw bingo together. Start with a simple rectangle. Nice and easy. Okay, this is the body. Bingo's hands are up. Now the arms. And the hands. Now the eyes. Draw a soft oval. Nice and easy. Now the nose. Draw a simple line. One more small line. A smiling mouth. And the tip of the nose. Now the second eye. Draw a small circle just above the nose. Take your time. Now the pupils. Small and simple. Finish the eye. Look at Bingo's eyebrows. They look like little beans. Draw one eyebrow above the eye. Now the other one. This is fun to draw. Now the left eyebrow. And now the ears. Draw them behind the eyebrows. Drawing is fun. I love it. Now draw Bingo's legs with me. First, the right leg. And the foot. Now the left leg. And the foot. Look at the tail. So cute. Just a simple shape. And there we go. The tail is finished. Now let's keep going. Draw the little details with me. Now I will show you a very easy bee. Just a few simple lines. Are you ready to draw this cute little bee with me? Now we color. Slow and gentle. Any way is fine. Take your time.